Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to cover about property insurance. So let's see guys, what is property insurance? Keep watching my video till end. Property insurance is a broad term for a series of policies that provide either property protection coverage or liability coverage for property owners. Property insurance provide financial reimbursement to the owner or renter of a structure and its contents in case there is damage or theft, and to a person other than the owner or renter if that person is injured on the property. Property insurance can include a number of policies such as homeowner insurance, renter insurance, flood insurance, and earthquake insurance. Personal property is usually covered by a homeowner or renter's policy. The exceptions is personal property that is very high value and expensive. That is usually covered by purchasing an additions to the policy called a rider. If there's a claim, the property insurance policy will either reimburse the policyholder for the actual value of the damage or the replacement cost to fix the problem. How property insurance works. Perils covered by property insurance typically include select weather related afflictions including damages caused by fire, smoke, wind, hail, the impact of snow and ice, lightning, and more. Property insurance also protect against vandalism and theft, cover the structure and its contents. Property insurance also provides liability coverage in case someone other than the property owner or renter is injured while on the property or decades to use. Property insurance policies normally exclude damage that result from a variety of events including tsunamis, floods, drain and sewer backups, seeping groundwater, standing water, and a number of other sources of water mold is usually not covered, nor is the damage from an earthquake. At additions, most policy will not cover extreme circumstances such as nuclear events, acts of war, or terrorism. Understanding property insurance, there are three types of property insurance coverage: replacement cost, actual cash value, and extended replacement cost. Replacement cost covers the cost of repairing or replacing property at the same or equal value. The coverage is based on replacement cost values rather than the cash value of item. Actual cash value coverage pays the owner or renter the placement cost minus depreciation. If the destroyed item is 10 years old, you get the value of a 10-year-old item, not a new one. Extended replacement cost, you owe more than the coverage limit if the cost or construction have gone up. However, this usually won't exceed 25% of the limit. When you buy insurance, the limit is the maximum amount of benefit the insurance company will pay for a given situations or occurrence. Special consideration: most homeowners purchase a hybrid policy that compensate for physical loss or damage caused by 16 perils, including fire, vandalism, and theft. The coverage known as an HO3 policy has certain conditions and exclusions. There is a predetermined limit on the coverage of certain valuables and collectibles, including gold, wedding rings, and other jewelry, feuds, cash, firearms, and other items. No coverage is usually provided in an HO3. Accidental breakage, damage, and mysterious disappearance, lost, misplace of values, including fine art and antiques. HO5 homeowners coverage includes everything in an HO3 policy but is geared toward the structures itself and the property within the home, including furniture, appliances, clothing, and other personal items. An HO5 does not cover for earthquakes or floods. HO5 insurance policies are available to homes that were either built in the last 30 years or renovated in the last 40 years, and they typically cover any damages at replacement cost. HO5 property insurance is usually known as renter's insurance. It covers tenant from loss of personal property and liability coverage. It doesn't cover the actual house or apartment being rented, which should be covered by the landlord's insurance policy. Note that none of these coverage levels reimburses the homeowner for property that breaks down or is damaged in more normal wear and tear situations, such as roof that begins to leak without damage from wind and hail. That's where home warranty is another way to protect your property can be helpful. Thank you so much guys for watching this video till end.